Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's Eli from Kingsbridge Performance and 4x4 in Leeds. Now, on this lovely quiet evening, in these quite difficult times, everyone is hopefully staying safe, and people are still buying plenty of cars. We're still busy, and we've just taken this stunning Audi SQ5 in part exchange for one of our other 4x4s, and I took it in because it was such a lovely example, really nicely maintained and kept and treated like an absolute baby by its former owner, which is nice to see, and it means that the guys actually looked after it. So I'll tell you a bit more about it. It's a September 14 car, so it's a 64 plate, and so it's just turned 5 years old, and it's in the Audi Sepang Blue, which I think is one of the nicest colours for this particular vehicle. It's got a really nice specification. It's two owners, so the owner before, the first owner had it till about 2017, and then when it was 3 years old, near enough, the second owner bought it, and it's got a full service history as well. It's just had an MOT and service in March 2020. I think it was end of March off the top of my head, and it was a major service with air filter, fuel filter, etc., and also had a full set of brand new tyres all round. So it's got the Kumo 21 inch 255 40 ZR21 tyres. They're brand new. It's also had rear brake pads, and we've just had it fully machine polished by our valeter and detailer all the way around, so it's absolutely stunning. The bodywork is fantastic condition, really, for a car this age. It's done 66,000 miles, but because it's been looked after, it doesn't show it. So it's got the lovely satin aluminium finish to the wing mirrors and the roof rails, and then obviously you've got the chrome window surrounds as well. So the options on this car, the 21 inch wheels, which are the best wheels to have. You've got the SQ5 branded big brake calipers there sitting behind the spokes. You've got the LED daytime running lights there, the fog lights in the bumper there, SQ5 badge. As you can see, it really is in superb condition. It's not covered in swirl marks and scratches or anything like that. Just really nicely maintained and kept by its owner. Now these have a fantastic sound as well. You can set it up, it's got the Drive Select option, so you can set it up in individual mode, so you can have comfort in your engine settings and your drive settings, but then the sport setting, you can also set the sound to sport, which gives that lovely deep rumble of a V8, which you wouldn't normally necessarily associate with a diesel car. It's got the privacy glass, got those LED rear lights there, twin outlet exhaust. You've got front and rear parking sensors as part of the parking system advanced pack, and a rear view camera, which is just there. Got that silvery grey valance at the back as well, or diffuser I should say. So a few nice options. I've listed them all in the ad. Like I say, the car is in stunning condition. There's a few marks here and there to expect a car of this age and mileage to have. So typically, as most cars you find, there's a few loading marks from where people have taken things in and out the boot there, which you expect to find. Unfortunately, they're pretty much on every car that we get in that's a 4x4. But yeah, that's about it really. Other than that, it's, dare I say, perfect. Now this car's also had a Towbar package fitted, not Audi, but it's been fitted professionally by the looks of it. So in the boot space you've got your levers to drop down the seats, 12-volt socket, interior lights, tie down hooks, and then underneath you've got the subwoofer for the audio system, and then you've got the tow bar there in that packet, and it's got the keys, the manual, the cover, everything's there, so it's ready to be fitted underneath. If it's only been used to mount a cycle carrier and take bikes on trips, which is what most people tend to use them for these days. So that's a great option to have if you've got a cycle carrier and enjoy cycling. There's your buttons there to lower the seats. You've got the SQ5 branded sills. You've got speakers, 2 in each door. The satin brushed aluminium finish there. The leather with the white stitching. And on the front it's got the SQ5 embossing. Okay. So let's move on to the passenger front of this SQ5. So again, you've got the black leather with the white stitching there, the aluminium trim, your 2 speakers, your SQ5 sill plates. This has got the electric seats with the electric lumbar support. There you can see it's got the SQ5 embossing to the front. Glove box with the cable there to plug in your USB. So it's got the technology pack, so you can actually play Bluetooth music from your phone, a memory card, and obviously navigation as well. It's also got the heated seats option. So yeah, some really good options to have there. Let's look at the driver's side. I'll just pull away on the back here so you can see the side profile. Really nice looking SQ5 there. The wheels make it, don't they? In my opinion. Got the LED indicators there built into the wing mirrors. So if we're getting to the driver's side, another option you've got is the 3-spoke flat bottom steering wheel in leather with white stitching. Multifunctional SQ5 badge there at the bottom. You've got automatic lights as well as the daytime running lights. You've also got the electric heated power folding wing mirrors. That's a great option to have. Then obviously electric windows there, and then your electric seat. And then here you've got the rest of the buttons, so I'll just run through them very quickly. So you've got the Drive Select, which as you can see there, gives you the options of choosing efficiency, comfort, auto, dynamic, individual. If you go to set individual, you can then adjust the engine, gearbox, steering, and indeed the engine sound there, as it's currently set in dynamic mode, which gives that lovely warble as you drive away. You can hear it quite pronounced. And then you've also got navigation, you've got telephone, Bluetooth, you've got radio, and then if I'm not mistaken, you've got DAB as well for your DAB music. Your media system, like I said, you've got jukebox, memory cards, DVD, AMI, which you could connect, Bluetooth music, and I'm not sure what that is. Okay, so that's that. Then you've obviously got your heated seats there, climate control, dual zone, hill descent control, traction control off, parking sensors, camera, etc. all on there. And then that's all your controls that I've been using. And you can see it's nice condition, because normally most Q5s that I get, this aluminium is usually trashed. People just scratch their keys on it and it gets dinged and dented. It's normally in awful condition. This has got very few marks, really nice condition. I think there's a tiny nick there, and that's about it, and a little one there, which I'm very surprised with. Testament to the car's being well maintained. Cruise control there, the flappy paddles on the steering wheel, and then of course there you've got your indicator stalk and parking light, and your wipers are here, and then you've also got the buttons there and there which controls the screen in the centre. You've got sunglass holder there, lights, grab handles, and then hooks there if you want to put a hanger in. And you got the lovely chrome or brushed, I should say, surround around the air vents there. Really nice car. 12-volt socket there. Your twin cup holders. Let's have a look at that engine. There you go, your 3-litre V6 TDI engine. Really good, isn't it? Power and torque for a diesel, and still the efficiency is fantastic. I'll start the car up so you can have a little listen. It will boing a little bit because I've got the bonnet open. There we go. No, it's not boinging. That's good. So yeah, like I said, you can control everything with these buttons here. Obviously, it's going to tell me the bonnet's open, and then flick through these menus here. Currently done 66,000 miles, which is about average. So if we put the Drive Select there, we can see there it'll change as I press the button: comfort, auto, dynamic, and then we'll change it to individual. Close that. And that's pretty much it, ladies and gents. So that's our 2014 64 plate Audi SQ5 automatic 3-litre V6 with 350 horsepower, and does 0 to 60 in about around 5 seconds. 155 mile per hour, limited top speed. 2-owner car, 2 keys, full book pack, all the service history and bits of paper that we've got obviously come with the car. You got the tow bar there as well to be fitted if you wanna use it. What more can I say except you know, this is really a great example. We obviously offer nationwide delivery. It's £1.50 a mile. Okay, so if you want it delivered to your home, as we're doing for the 99% of our customers at the moment, we can do that. Just let me know where you are and I'll work out the price. And if you'd like a warranty, we offer 3, 6, 12, 18, 24 months. Just simply ask for prices for our warranties as well. Other than that, ladies and gents, the car will come to you fully valeted, as you can see it here. And obviously we'd valet it again before it arrived. And that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching, and look forward to seeing you on the next video. And just to mention again, if you do want I may have forgotten it earlier in the video, but if you do want a finance package, we do offer finance, whether that be a hire purchase or a balloon finance with a PCP or LP. We can offer those as well. So just give me a call or a text if you'd like to discuss any of that. Thank you for watching.